You know, every day, hundreds of millions of Americans battle some sort of chronic pain. Maybe you're one of them. Unfortunately, treatment for a lot of people comes in the form of highly addictive prescription painkillers. That's part of the reason that we find ourselves confronting an opioid crisis in this country. But as 10 News reporter Josh Sidorowicz found out, some Bay Area doctors are helping people find alternatives.
It was terrible. I mean, if you say the 1 to 10, it was probably a 7 or an 8 most days.
Karen Wright's chronic pain began more than a decade ago when the now retired nurse suffered a serious back injury after a patient fell on top of her. Surgery was not successful, so pain pills, first fentanyl and later methadone and oxycodone, became a way of life.
Did it help my pain? It did, but I felt like a zombie. I had no quality of life.
She said she feared she'd become an addict.
It was very scary because these were very strong drugs.
And feared there was no other way until she learned of a new treatment, one just approved by the FDA within the past year and a half. And this Bay Area doctor is among the first in the area offering it.
It is a very targeted approach and that does not require pharmaceuticals.
And that's big.
That's huge.
Opposed to pills, pain is managed instead by targeting it directly through the spine.
This is an advanced technique.
Tiny electrodes are implanted into the spine, sending controlled pulses of energy directly to the nerves.
2 small incisions.
Dr. Attia says unlike pain pills, he believes it's doing more than acting as a band-aid to just block pain.
This particular therapy can be used with the purpose of treating the disease itself and therefore eliminating the need for opiates in the long term.
I found Dr.
For Wright,
a lot of it is a lack of education, that people are not aware that there are alternatives.
just 1 year of this treatment, she says, has reversed what had been a decade of feeling trapped.
It's changed my life in every way.
In Palm Harbor, Josh Sidorowicz, 10 News.